called The Old Bugger Road. My feet are here on Broadway, blessed harvest moon. Oh, the ache that's in the place where I was born. My weary hands are blistered, working cold and heat. But oh, to sleep that slide again in the field of Irish wheat. Had I the chance to wander back our own king's abode, I'd soon see the hawthorn tree by the old bog road. I muddy died last springtime when Ireland fields were green. Neighbors said